Riri mutaratara mweru wa mathomo wa CBE uraingira thiini wa ngathi njeru ya senior school mwaka ukite anyitite mi sekta-ini ya githomo makoretwo makihurira ndebe kugacirithio kwa ikiro cia mathomo na njira ya gutigirira kuri na arutani a kuigana irathi na kigina gia gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo othe.
When you talk to Teacher Service Commission, they are going to tell you that for our system to run well right now, we are having a shortage of over 100,000 teachers. Subject mismatches and uneven parental awareness, and that is very critical, especially at this particular time.
Thegia ya igeria ria thirikari gukorwo ikihingia maya mothe gikundi kia elimu yetu kiugite kuri na mianya mingi muno iriracokia na thutha ikiro cia mathomo. Umwe wamo aria ciari gukorwo mategutaukirwo ni mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBE na muno makiria maumirira ma kigeranio gia KJSEA maria marekereirio kiumia kihituku.
There is a lot of awareness gap in terms of what is happening, even in terms of KJSEA and other issues regarding CBE, and this is one of the right moments for the ministry actually to lead the process of awareness raising in terms of what is happening at the moment.
Kuringana na gikundi giki maumirira ma kigeranio giki mafatie kuhuthika gutigirira kuri na waragania thiini wa ugai wa mieke ya mathukuru kuri arutwo othe.
The results should be deliberately and promptly used to guide fair and transparent allocation of learners to senior schools, as well as inform targeted teacher deployment, curriculum support, resource distribution, and remedial intervention. We want everything to be fair.
Gikundi giki kiendekithitie thirikari gukorwo igitacukia makinya ma naihenya gucaria kihonia kia mathina maria mekwiyumiria thiini wa ngathino ya mathomo.
We are saying we anticipate there will be issues, but we are saying emerging gaps and challenges identified should be addressed early and decisively by the ministry, ensuring timely support for learners in school, therefore reducing disparities and guaranteeing that no learner is left behind as the system transition to senior school.
Hamwe na nditi ingi iria igwetetwo kugumira sekta ya githomo ni gucoka na thi kwa namba ya arutwo aria mareyandikithia thiini wa ngathi itiganite cia mathomo, thina uria ukuruhanitio na ihiko cia tene, airitu kuoha nda, uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurevya, ciiko cia airitu kugimarithio hamwe na mangi.
The main challenge still remains barriers to access and retention and the holistic support of all adolescents, including both boys and girls. And some of this can be issues related to gender-based violence, cultural factors, child labor, amongst others.
Ukeketaji unafanyika wakati watoto wa kike bado ni wachanga sana. Akifika umri wa miaka 7, 8, 9 anapelekwa mbali sana ambako serikali haiwezi kuwafikia. Pengine ameenda kama shule shafungwa, ameenda kupelekwa kama kumtembelea mjomba au shangazi. Ili akifika kule ukeketaji unafanywa kabisa, na wakati shule inaenda kufunguliwa mtoto wa kike yule atakuwa ameshapona na amerudi.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagugina wa Wadurwa.